There's a few different ways. The big way is that fashion weeks for a season happen the season prior. What's in style now for spring has already been showcased in the fall. So what you can do is you can Google what those fashion trends are, and you can see what different magazine publications have said is going to be in style. Now, what one publication is going to say is not going to be the same as the others. I like to go to places like Vogue, Harper's Bazaar, Marie Claire. And what I like to do is I like to write out my favorites. And then if I see it twice, I'll tick it again. Just so, okay, this seems to be coming up a lot, because all of the mainstream retailers are going to be copying what the designers do. So you know that it's going to trickle down for that season. Checking before the season. You can also go to sites like Who What Wear. Pinterest is a great one, and a great way to keep up with the fashion trends is to follow stylists like me. I actually have a newsletter that I put out every single Tuesday where I talk about style tips, what's on trend, and all the things that you should have in your closet. So you definitely want to check me out. AshleyKahn.com. You can sign up to subscribe to my newsletter.